it helped me on a psychological level, because I met online, in the online world, I met people who were just simply supportive. They were willing to support you if you had any question or any issue. I was connected with people who were willing to give support, to give ideas, and to collaborate with you. And that's an experience I didn't have in the real world, because in real world everybody was busy with his own job, only focused on his own job. And if you wanted to do something, they always said, oh, no time, so sorry, bye. So the inspiration and collaboration in the online world was great, and that was a really new experience for me.